Good morning, everybody. About 6:30 this morning. Got a little sunrise peeking up, and yeah, we got some cool stuff going on today. Not that much cool stuff. We finished up David Sosa's car yesterday. He may have got a hood dump, but we installed the Wot box for him. Yeah, that is an automatic car, 3.7 V6 NPG turbo kit. And yes, sir, it's looking mean, and she's got a hood dump. Needs a trim ring, then it'll look real good. But yeah, this is an automatic car, and we installed a n2MB Wot box on it. So we're gonna see if we can get it to kick some flames out. See if we can do some rolling anti-lag. I got to do all the programming on that, and should be good. I'm not gonna tune it up or anything like that. Didn't want that. He's got a show this weekend, so we're just trying to make it so maybe he can win a two-step competition. We shall see. It's gonna be rowdy either way. But yeah, getting her done on a Friday morning. We got a whole bunch of videos for you guys. We literally have like 2 or 3 turbo kit videos. Oh my gosh, I think we have 4 turbo kit videos coming out, and this one. I mean, this one's legit. This is another 600 horsepower car, one of the first 600 horsepower V6 turbos that we built. I technically built this one and tuned it myself here, because that was back when Tommy wasn't here. He was gone for a while, and so Cody and I built this car. This is the one we did the install video for the NPG turbo kit on. That took a long time, but we'll get opened up here. I'll get programming, and we'll get going. Get you guys his Insta though. There you go. Peep that Insta, Sosa_S197. AMR all the way, baby. Let's go make this thing sing. And as always, of course, we got more turbo kits being packed. Some built Ego Boost short blocks. And like I said, 2 more turbo kits going out probably today. Maybe Monday, but more than likely, that one will ship out today. I think this one we're waiting on some more FIC 1000 fuel injectors. We just can't keep these dang things in stock. We order them like 10 sets at a time. So it's ridiculous. But yeah, let's go make Sosa pop. Alrighty guys, so we went ahead and installed a Wot box so that David here can take this car with his MPG turbo kit that we tuned and go to the show and maybe win a 2-step competition. So yeah, let's try that 2-step out. What it sounds like a 4. That was 5,000. Let's see which one sounds the best. We'll try it a tad higher. That is wild. I didn't want to be up, I wanted to be down.
Well, that's more aggressive.
That's 6K, that's good. I think he'll like that.